my channel. So today is Thursday, March 26th, and I'm just gonna show you guys a couple of things that I'm up to today. So it's about 2:44, and I have hot dogs going for the girls in my little George Foreman grill. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make sofrito, and I'm making ribs in the Instapot, as well as some potatoes, some roasted potatoes, red roasted potatoes in the oven. So that's gonna be dinner. And then for dessert, we was planning on making banana bread or maybe just like a regular chocolate cake. But I did find this mix. I've never used it before, but we're gonna try it out. Let's see if I do it today with everything that's getting done. And if you guys are not clear as to what sofrito is, so basically sofrito is only mainly 3 ingredients. That's how I make it. So I basically buy peppers from the store. I buy some yellow onions, right? And then I buy cilantro. And then I just mix it all in here. So I'm gonna clean everything, I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna put it in here, and it makes sort of like a seasoning that you can use for rice. You can use it for your ribs. You can use it basically for anything. So basically, hopefully I can make like 4 of these, and then I'll freeze them, and then I'll use it every time I need to make rice or any other things that I'm gonna make. So basically it's like a Spanish seasoning, if I'm not saying that correctly. I don't know what to call it, but this is what my grandma taught me to make. And we basically mainly use it for our pernils, and we use it for our rice and other kinds of meat. So let's get started. So as you guys see here, I just have some hot dogs going for the girls. I'll probably eat one of those. They wanted 2 each. And then we bought some watermelon today. And we're gonna get started on making our sofrito. So the first thing you're gonna do is just clean out your peppers. Make sure you clean them really good. And I have my ribs defrosting on this side that I'm gonna put in the Instapot. So basically, I season them first, put them in my Instapot with a little bit of water, and then I take them out and put them in my oven. So these should be clean by now. Just take all this water out. Okay, now we're gonna go and cut them up. Okay, so once I cut up all my peppers, it doesn't have to be cut off perfectly because it's gonna go inside of the food processor. I just give them a quick wash again. And then I'm gonna add my cilantro to it. Cilantro I don't cut up, I just put them in like that. I wash them and put them into the bowl. So we just drain that out. There goes the pepper on the floor. Okay, so I just get my cilantro. And give it a good wash. So give it a good wash, and then I just add it to my bowl. And then I do the same with the other one. Make sure you clean in between it, because sometimes In certain supermarkets, wherever you get it, it has a little bit of like dirt in them. So make sure you spread it out and clean it out. Okay. Then let's go to cutting our onions. Okay, so I cut about 6 onions and I'm just gonna give them a quick rinse. And then we're gonna get started with our sofrito in the food processor. Okay, so now I'm gonna start adding things to the food processor. So I get a little bit of peppers first. And then I get a little bit of cilantro in there. And then a little bit of onions. So I'm gonna start off with that. And then you just keep on adding until you finish all your ingredients. So, just gonna cover this up. Okay, what's wrong with my food? And just get started. And usually what I like to do is just starting adding ingredients to the top of it. So I'll just add from the top. And just continue adding until it gets full. If it gets full, then I'll stop it from going. Then a little bit of cilantro in there as well. I'll put it all in there. More peppers, so I do it like that. Peppers, cilantro, then onions. Peppers, cilantro, and then onions. So I usually keep one in the fridge and one in the freezer. Get off that window, please. This one looks good. Yes, I'm just adding the last of my ingredients. Then I'm going to give the bowl a quick wash because I'm going to add it back to the flour. So I grab everything that's on the lid. Okay. Then I'm just gonna detach this and put it in my bowl. He can't eat onions. Now that's fine that there's like a piece of cilantro in there, that's fine. And I'll add a little bit of water. water to this just to get the rest out. Just a little tiny bit of water. There you have your sofrito ready to be frozen. So I'll take a little bit out, put in the fridge, and then the rest I'll put inside of the freezer. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching and supporting my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yes, I've been MIA for a while, but I'm just trying to get on the move with this homeschooling thing and just a lot going on. So hopefully you guys are keeping safe. And this is not normal, but you know what? We have to try to make the best of it. And I will have a next video for you guys showing you guys how I make the ribs in the Instapot, as well as some potatoes in the oven. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.